Hi, I'm Bethy. I'm the owner of Blue Acre Garden, and today I'm touring a very special garden. I want to take you and show you what my friend Teryn's garden looks like. She is a micro flower farmer, and even though she doesn't really like the term flower farmer yet, I think she has it here. So I want to show you, look at all the beautiful dahlias and other flowers she's able to grow in such a small space.